So Telegram recently launched the Telegram crypto wallet just after the shutdown of the Binance in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Telegram wallet. You get here and then come to my Telegram. You're going to see the wallet right in the left section of this screen. So I'm going to show you how to get access to this wallet and also how to trade the P2P market from the Telegram really quick if you're from a banned country like Nigeria. So if you click on that wallet, it's going to bring you to this page and you can see that you can send crypto, you can add crypto, and you can also exchange crypto from one coin to another, and you can also trade the P2P market here. This is a huge development by Telegram that anyone should know. Now, if you're from a banned country and you want to trade the P2P, Telegram has made it so easier for you, just like Binance. If you click on the P2P there, you can just come here and then click on buy. And when you click on buy, you are going to see a lot of merchants right here, just like Binance, and you can come over here to choose anyone you feel like buying, and then you add the amount you want to buy, but it's going to want you to share your contact. So this will make it more secure. All right. Now, to make profit on this one, if you come to sell, you're not going to see anybody trying to buy from you, but you can always see people that want to sell to you. So what everyone is doing here is placing ads that are selling here. Right. So if you want to make profit with this, just go to your Bybit, OKS, and other exchange wallets, and then buy from there cheaper. And if you come here, you can see that it is more expensive here. As at the time of making this video, if I go to OKS is selling for about 1,400 something now. When you come to your Telegram wallet, the Telegram is selling for 1,500 each. So there's a little profit to gain here. There's an arbitrage opportunity here. So what you want to do is to go to your OKS and then purchase your coin here, then come back here to the Telegram wallet, and then what you want to do is to come and then add crypto wallet, and then you use the external wallet option here. When you click on that, you're going to choose if you want to send USDT or BTC. So in that case, let me say USDT, and it's going to bring up the USDT address. So you're just going to copy that address and then send that coin down here to the Telegram wallet here. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the P2P and then you place ads. Okay, so when people buy from you and they buy it at the rate of 1.5, you're going to be making at least 100 naira or so per trade. So this is a very huge arbitrage opportunity that anyone can utilize, right? Now, how do you get this wallet? For some of you will notice that you don't have this wallet option in your Telegram. So how are you going to get it? If you want to get it, you're just going to come to your Telegram. If you don't see it already, you're just going to come to your Telegram. When you come to your Telegram, you're going to click on the search option here. And when you click on the search option, you're going to come here and type @wallet. @wallet. So when you type @wallet, you're going to see the wallet bot here. All right. So you click on @wallet and you're going to click on start here. When you click on start, it's going to ask you to open wallet. Just follow the prompts like that to the end, and your wallet is going to be created for you automatically. Once you're done with that, you're going to see your wallet right here in the corner of the screen, just like you're seeing here, right? So that is how to set up the wallet. I hope you enjoyed this guide. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it is something you like, then help us to hit that like button and also share this video with as many persons that you wish to see this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe as well. Thank you and see you next time.